now wait man who you this answer who way sir chikasa akaro ye
I am here and I make panic.
Chikasa no ala se aka kan brofo kwa enkwa fe
ka ti na me kan brofo
eba anse mu kan afo no mu kan afo no ye chikasa woni twansira na mu die to bi brofo fuck you mu he mu se ade na masre ene ta chini modu ti sare ti ya anka oh meyere mesro ala tina na nsa woni menna mesro ene menna
ade tina woni menna na dia na meka ye no ade na meka ade tina woni menna mese ma meni ba ko na no so difference be ne wom woni menna ma meni ba ko difference be ko difference be ne
e make sense sai dia make sense say
mese ma meni ba ko ma meni ba ko difference be ne wom e na menso meni no ko
no through movies no now go through Canada honoma wo shase twapu no what you broken sao broken me na nim da o ka fa movie we obi sane me say kojo George na o ka wasa no peri movie okutwa me hwe ya wo definitely TikTok star no o firi no wono awasiri na wo buto ba so na mewo ti o mewo ana wo wuji oba anim na minni bia medi bia chewo na mo fifi ma no etmenna wo ene movie na asebe me ya so panyini a menya sofo a onkokro me so a me bompa ya me a me ye wie no wo se mi mo musa gane movie o be di matem na wa me no mi enu when dey say gane movie.
Okay.
Minu me movie no emu je na ebetufo emu je na de besua de emu de page gane movie. Mimi me say mi mpefe say opo wadwa ma abo na pe emani bia no afefinti ahwe ma ha mini ma hunti na twa sa broken no madi oba de basisi a stars pia twa sini Ghana ha a bi kwa me de make sense kwa po bibia nya quality bia nya wan ka we why me mama enkwasafo bia nya me yedi matem sampa bibia me di agro bibia me di agro me nya da letter and two movie we fixing the comedy inside said about how movie now over kakara you come out and destroy me and you disgrace me then you allow people to insult me because of what you are saying about my movie church members. Go and check comment section and people saying why you have Lilwin number, why Lilwin is your brother, why you talk to him the person, why you not go his DM to talk to him. They will say open to DM so now the family so now can say something na me na what church why me na church why I'm ukun shashi adu chebia nin teachings na my di so wo de cause am for who say we I say ubu ho we a fine guy, we a fine boy and I want fe etino I say me no ko gentry tina I say ko gentry na me ka senti obi ani ne kwatam sanka kwaye nkwasafo bi say trouble Carlos kame mefri gentry ni mu abba from basabasa ebejensa but it's okay unti movie no album no my release 4 last one church members 6 year kan nyina no obi anhia mo UTV ana DSTV ana Lawson TV minimum we then I'm focusing my new show 16th 17th 18th April my birthday 3 days celebration Kwame. Yes, I'm focused to promote the show pilot. Okay.
Mini awaka sebi afemi to be bem
kasa
wajo nyembeze mi dika aka ne sem se e wo mi video so mu nyina no makama nipa nyina ate makane bebre empo ansana me ba beka problem na e wo industry ne mo na ansana me be boss a problem ne so no me bo me nsem ma e bo wa baso e kan se wajo adwuma wo ye no anase adwuma wo ankasa wo sofo panyin sofo chedua adomo a e wo no so a wa ma bia ba wo so a wo watumi e de yesa adwuma wo ye no kwajo me ka kire ga man ka ne backdoor ka kire ga na fo nyina ase me menye mu half kra na me bo wa baso etwa oprosen na ba bia me gina bia me bo wa baso na me koso nso aka se wo ye adwuma na wo ye adwuma papa enti nipa and support wo Kwadwo menye wo bone ye di kan waka ne bebre se medi watam Kwadwo ni mi se mini watam especially producers, directors, actors, as a medium, because many movie no good, the main one will come. Neighbor, what catch them say me nkonko share wo movie no a me ni right bia say me beka say baby ewu mu a na sa baby kro no enya na bibisa na minya nko hwe movie ne de me ni right say me bia ma no kasa kra afa ho oba me live so Kwadwo sa na aka kire me boa enti Kwadwo aden na won so me movie na fe na me ba be premiere no Yewia ye de beko Montreal, yewia ye de beko Ottawa, yewia ye besa de akọ UK, ama UK man ni nyina nso ahwe. Aden na Kwadwo nso wantwen, na wanhwe movie dan san na wabeka se eye adwaman.
Ebo, Timbo, o ka me titi. E gba titi. E ma move a. O ka me de, me na no so twa assistant say o. Ti o, me. Tama o ka no. Na me so twa
se me twam sini dia.
Tantan, na me nim. Ko obi na sene ma me se Kwadwo. Hwe, wo hwe ne de no so ye. Na se woni pono twa check Canada for. Babiji, what romantic movie chat? What catch UK for?
Kwadwo o hwe me trailer no e ba eyepono. O hwe movie ni yepono.
Pornography. Pornography.
E dia de na wo mu a, kira me dia de na wo mu e ma na yepono.
Hwe, baby a Jeff ofui no. I do about tom paso was mewo. Sebi. Mewo no. Right. Say nkwa movie. And two, what would you ban him? Would you ban him? Mammy Nibia. Now, me dibia check. And I'm off 50 man. Now, why is that in the full way? One for one example say, I don't form never chat. Maybe see me, second movie no.
Okay,
now, me movie. I have football. I saw the air coso. I'm not sorry. You do my bro. A bishop sabi, a bisika, a be a few more, but I feel as a foreign chomusika, here for Scandi. I'm with the bonnet. As some boys, sorry, 2 billion, 3 billion. I will check on the swap.
Meba. So we heard that omo mo pa hwe no omo kom YouTube or Kwame G won omo ko hwe trailer ne da omo ko no ko hwe. Tie me. Tie me meba. Mame Kwadwo mame kasa. O make you points no say me yedin. Me ma wo make you points ni nyina. Nya botre na me zumi wie me points no. Afa ye wi a na ne amunga mu. Na de wanti ase de me so manti ase ne de asisie ni. Kwadwo me ne me yere. Tie me. Me ne me yere. Scene na wo hwe ye no. Eye bedroom scene. Me ne me yere. Me shatade. Me yere nso so shatade. Ana me yere. Me ne wo problem. Enam problem ni nti. Won pene e ma me mfa me ho mponka no. Ena scene na wo hwe ye no. Me pa me yere ne chew say oh misrew. Ma me ni ba ko what me pa chew.
Takasa fu.
Tie me Kwadwo tie me. Tie me ma me wie. Me pa me yere chew. Se me yere me pa chew ma me ni ba ko what me di bia che me pa chew. Kwadwo eyem tie me eyem me yere. Ena me pa ne chew wo bedroom me dem wo Kwadwo ma me musa wasem wo pa wo ba chew da e wo bedroom da.
Common sense.
Bedroom wo pa wo ba chew da.
Chop what them one in him.
Enti chop what them no e bedroom scene. Enti bedroom scene no wo pa wo yere chew da. Se me sra me
wo bi o se pa chew them. Ready e mo dem
na fa ma ba e nyama e ko so abon dem nyama e ko so won krofo dem. And me ya chiro mu hu se problem se ko so bi.
Now common sense that me But I'm so I saw them on the Ghana Hanuma. I saw them, everyone 80 I've for so everything the show, everybody was them, and also rating.
What's it? I saw for being now we are sorry penny, now when you are sorry penny, what's in me pejako like it was on the
Stop for why suffer pampa, and let me piss out of man.
One only a software pump on person who plays a good man.
Massa.
Oh, not just a DNT software and pump person obey, not just a software who said there is a problem with it. Now we suffer like
that wouldn't say, well, yeah, that's what be the enemy issue.
And Yano Crack, who said, I didn't know why you know, and yet into the wine.
Now, to wait a man who hear this answer, who way. Sir, Chicasa, I can't hear and I made punish Chicasano. I can't go for what I'm clever.
Then I make kind of brothel.
Eba, I say Mugana Fono. Mugana Fono. You're Chicasa. When you try to sit up, then we get to visit, brother. Fuck you. Moon say, other, never say. It is a chini modu, Tisanatia. Uncle, oh, made it, Miss Row. I didn't know someone in that, Miss Enemy. I didn't know what I mean, Nadiana Mecano. At the end of the I didn't know what I mean, Mr. Mamini Barco, and also so difference in the womb. What I mean, Mamini Barco difference, the difference in the make sense. Side, you make sense. Mr. Mamini Barco, Mamini Barco, difference in the womb. And I mean, so many moving and young Colana Ebeho, and within a me premium with Toronto, I mean from a tour public is Colame. Oh, there is a big difference. When you attack, we are acting to so we say I'm paying for. I'll say it's near a crab baby. My money better than the Baba. Now, if any Koyama or Mangopono, Mango Hepono. Me, plus 18 plus 40. Canada, Canada, now Canada, now Canada. Canada, Canada, Naga Force, Echo Cinema, 3D Examiner, 3D Naba, or her movies for Bibia and Cranya to be heavy. Now, movie, we in film. Now, also, over movie.
Because a new movie and collect mission, you will move and collect mission, you will collect mission.
Miss Midania, a crow, Panino, Abro, cause I sit here, or be a foot also.
Into a movie when I wear, and your foot to an answer yesterday.
A foot woman, sit here, woman. Yansanema woman. I said, your concert, there be a focus on that. We is got a idea about you. Sadka me, I must have suffered that more you enjoy automansion. Moiska Emma a month for a bonnet as a phone so and Yanka a craft so them one. I feel shame myself for anywhere million point Samano. I don't tell you every year be Africa Korea or turn back 500 billion, almost $5 million. At a mass of no moment is here for Gum. This year about 800 billion. This year 800 billion, which is almost 80 million Ghana cedis. And this is the only person in Ghana, the 8 generation prophets, the only prophet in the world. Word prophet, 7 Adam Chebia.
Kwayo, my mensa make a point we, meba. What can the baby say? Kwayo may destroy war. Now, me say with him. Kwayo, me pesa what see say. Me sha see say. Ah, o krebi ni abaha.
Chen. But Wadiano. Ah, office Oscar, the 3 way panel. Office Oscar. Ah, no, sir, can say how. Artist. Celebrate the war. TikTok, Anna Baffo, Anna Wons and Anna Woody, I can't talk about come to back and say, what kind of Akubini? Meaning, okay, so when you set to the pan a band and say, I need to be now bar, I will be able to just say, Confess and Cabafani. Cabaco from as net Yabafu. What do you TikTok, Yabafu?
What Casa? Maybe so Casa.
Now, Bibi Koso, as a professional blogger, I was a blogger, Yuki, Obiawatum. I have a monk for as a professional. William Diamono, fine. Kwame G, Abba Kassem, Albert Wono, on the Mancharia, also can move in Ibi. Cafe me, now 2 pages say, no book, church members, no. Now the father for more, on my very. Now, Kwame G, dear. But for me now, oh, the car. Racing, movie, no. Oh, movie, you're ready. About Ghana movie, I couldn't name. You're ready. About to fair dear. About you're ready. Oh, says, you know. One to me, I'm a family movie, you know. And I would have said, dear, the radio Jano. Oh, no, one you phone so to me, and for so many, my, somebody, see, let me more, my city, asopanyini no me movie na ehunkokom so e ba na me so na me bope o ti so nase wa ko ta kwa me ji achi what is ka ana wo mum mu kwanda me di matem
Madai.
Why day?
Na kwa me ji no
Was it me ba was it day? Why day?
Tie mu ye namfo obi se mu ye namfo a mu sia di mu nkomo o ma ska eso onu mum abeka mum so
Mama na kwa me ji last week was am na ba ko ye. Kwame ji no to last week me na ba ko wa hu ana ma me twa de no wentie me.
Na kwadwo ye bibia to asema wo beka ye no. Me anya me no di matam.
Onu Kwame di natam.
Me no di matam.
The first time Kwame asema da. Onu Kwame ye no.
Na me ba that's why you moving why you
What am I say workers ma me so me nkasa.
Oh okay
so Lilwin, first of all before I say we me nim the way me see afa me ka no. Me hu so ya video bi wadi matam basa na me tiri hu apa na mapampam apa na manim se kokoto tese wa yeme na hold on me hold on
the trouble is Kwame fitinante this na wo sha share ka bisasem no patienti asa me yese me ya papa na mu he ma nya food ne fitinante this o
within 3 days now I want move food ne
asa ma twa kwa chiri mo ada de dwene ba
okay so on say o kan we say nyina o kan ye no me ko fa me video no tena say na he fa na me didi Lilwin atamunti a ama Lilwin etimi edi matamu sei because me ka kwase me make statement say crashing ya wanya skentu no fo me hu ni say me nuai obeka say me di na ta na me twi ma no say na me say no ebe na me bu sister ya unfeel offended me ka ma say mo nyina wie ye because movie no wo de ba ye na ye hwe e na ye hwe wie so me ko hwe ba ye no me say be ye video e make statement be say video no so far me hwe ye no ade na kwa meji e ka no enya mamu mi hunu ye jimie bie ne hono ma abroso eye nice but de ma hunu wo mu ne say eye osofo akwasi ewu e na o mo ke no
adinta bobo so fidi
hold on enti say me can be say me dey what I'm Lilwin question
na say Carlos say won so say video now can me nyanhwe but say Carlos say sana won so no o kan na say won kwan bi so Carlos won kan no kre na wonya no kwafo ade kudianti a men so me kasa wonya no kwafo ne se asem wa me ka ye efa akodwo movie ne ho no ukọ movie ni ma ewom
no tie
it mean ko bi jawa
na ono na dia to YouTube no so no it was really nice so far the
ne fa dia www ene obi antumi kasa nyefe movie na efe
eno na to say so far eno ne dia me hunu ye o say
video ne kasa wom no movie na efe but me se bibi wom
that bibi na wo kasa wom em say ko to say series me boa
movie 1 and 2 just better no
menchira obi ewom sesi a menchira obi
no wo
de mo de mani obi ya nko a metumi a chire wo foforo menchira
wo da bobo Kwame wo da ma menye me hwe wie ye no maka ma adwene ana de me hunu ye no ana ma beka so ahu enti me beka ya wo si ade enti na ma boss because aya sa so no so ana wo make my evidence anto ho ampa so ana wo kasa wo make statement be say ane apart from osofo panyini adum che bia onu penecheska obi a cheska biem no me ni say na me kan o confirm say dia mama
tie Carlos tie Ghana ha asori bia Ghana bia no na afia so tie asori bia so enyanka wom akunafo ho ahokyefo ho no afin so e ma so be nyi say 10 billion kwambo say o che e de ma ensori ma no e mo nsori asofo no etum so ni ehisa e ya do e wa bontere e ja nsori ma ni bia mo che mo asofo mu
ana me say sasem no e ye hwan na kama woteye
wanda oh tie
the way so this can no say pepe na can no was it ane ye fa so this can show say pepe
yes asosika ya fa mo so na ensa asosika nkwa abontene
na ye hwan na e ya doye
what's it
e hwan na ode na de hwe na sorry ma
only I don't say that the word
thank you that is a ubo akutia so
we are here tell me now uchu bia bam we are
no kwa na make so me who say video no kojo me baba so ma reply na man fan cho ma yo papa wo me page no so man fan cho ne ma ye wo hankasa man fan cho now me can so me can say me nim say kokoto hey share this pretty face wo me nim say kokoto
say hankasa aso wo so say na me I'm saying
me say me yo say na me ni age me so me cancel eso no ma kan wie so then me person me catch on and say you need to accept say obi criticize you movie it is allowed and you're part of it ye na ye hwe the me say Kwame did a mistake na the movie no me hwe na baby to any would you cresa. Brony Peter we one of me no crash.
Now here,
That's also the was ever.
Or can I say? Obama mini way the beach.
Me say me pacho ma mini baako eye me yire am in the bedroom. We show movie no eye
that
na me pa me yire chaw because me yire ne mpesa woni me beda na me pa ne chaw say oba me pacho ma mini baako what me pa chaw me
yeah sa enya right
enra nwumra kra wa mpa wo yire chaw
and dem enya bodama fo
I don't know say
no so nya dem na me ne enya dem na me ne
but you see Lilwin, I understand where you are coming from, yeah. Say Kwame Gidi no obeso che say enwama sem probably nko betimi aka no in a nice way sister nko betimi ahwe.
Yes.
So what can I say me to say? But on a normal level, so we have movies yet me the bon 14 years and share, 15 years for and share.
So I can't tell was one
but why you are coming from understand
me moving for lunch.
Right, and me media no. Come for agent to say. Mo bi kwasra na.
There be and yes who say movie no imagine akokra na one page
who does that?
Ghana ha. Me di akopon. So fit bomb pay for. No telephone so.
Me who be that?
So
that baby sana wo ya I will accept it, but who ya akokra na wo akokra na movie na eti
Wonya sofo wo ya asore panini a wo bompa ya ma oba ba bi wa asore dem kwadwo me pa to ma menka no kuro me ba hwe kwadwo enye comic na ye tio enye comic na ye ni movie ni mo no e na make say ye problem me see problem no e ye say e to da ye over exaggerate enye ma bi wo ho eni kwan say ye na directors na hwenhwe han ya me ya sa na ma na boroso enti wo kwadwo me blame wo debi anything na me shas ya make us na me can say me ni producers directors any industry key players ni edi nkomo na me de wo movie na nam so ne wo mo kasa me de ye example a kire wo say hwe ade we na me pese tie me because asam na me be kan kwadwo eni me movie ni mu and apart from say any me movie ni mu kwadwo ma me sa wasam se me pese me ka enwomto ho asem wo Ghana Shatawale Stoneboy, Utieme, Shatawale, Stoneboy, and now